Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're trying Kishu Mandarins. This says Kishu Kisses, but they're really tiny mandarins. So online it says that they're the size of a golf ball or smaller, and I agree, they are tiny. This is a regular clementine, and here is a Kishu Mandarin. Super tiny, super cute, and let's give it a try. So when I picked them out, I noticed that they all have a bit of air. Like it feels like I could feel air between the membrane of the fruit and the peel. And when I open it up, you can really tell that. They have this little indentation here, and sometimes they have a little bubble up top. Not quite a top knot like a sumo orange, but they have a little bubble sometimes. And what I really like is they're easy to peel, they have no seeds. So when you pick it out, you wanna have that nice shiny exterior. That's for any citrus you're picking out. When they get dull and hard, that means they're drying out and they're older. So this is a fresh Kishu Mandarin. And I'm gonna kind of show you, did you hear that little bit? Like you can really see on this one. I'm gonna try to, like I feel it on this one, so I feel like you might be able to see it. Do you see that pocket of air? Like I can really pinch and you could really see, like it comes right off. It's just like, there's like this air gap and they're just so good. They're so easy to peel. My kiddos peel this. My 3-year-old peels it. My niece came over, she's 2, she was peeling it. And it's just really easy for them to eat. Look how tiny. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It's like a little pumpkin, right? Because it's kind of flat too. And then I just rip it open and then I take out that membrane. Like I said, I don't like the membranes. So here is a good example of a fresh, plump, and shiny citrus fruit. This is fresh and delicious, whereas this is old, wrinkled, a little hard, a little soft, shriveled up, and not shiny. It's very dull. This is a great comparison. My produce manager was throwing these away and I said, can I grab one of those? So this is really not what you want to get. You want to get something like this. If you can even really see it on the bottom, I'll even put this one on top so you could see it a little bit better. This is a bad mandarin, this is a good mandarin. So when you're picking it out, make sure it is shiny and supple like this. You don't want it hard and you don't want it wrinkled and dull. So my kids have been eating these for a few days and they love them. And I'm like, wait, save me some. The bag is like halfway empty. They are loving them. They are super easy to peel, and there's almost like this pocket of air, like the skin just like comes right off. It's crazy. So we have all the mandarin here. Just gonna get all the pith off. They're seedless. And let's see, they're supposed to be really sweet. They're so tiny. Whoa, that's a familiar flavor. So I'm getting like, you know, clementines in a jar or clementines in a can kind of thing. They don't taste like canned, but they have that, that familiar flavor. I like them a lot, wow. Very, very sweet, but also very subtle. Like I'm not getting much hint of any tang at all. Not with that one. So we'll try another one. If you do not like tang in your orange or mandarin or citrus at all, try a Kishu Mandarin. Wowee. Kishu Mandarin has this very delicate skin, and like mandarins in general, like the sumo has delicate skin as well. But I love mandarins and I always get them when they're in season. And I will be getting Kishu Mandarins a lot more now because my kids like them and I like them too. What I will say is it stinks that they have a shorter growing season, which is about like December to January, I believe I was reading. And then they also start ripening in November. So it's a really short season. Citrus season in general is pretty short. So I like to freeze if I can, like so I can have it for smoothies and stuff. I really usually prefer a tangy orange, mandarin, citrus fruit, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really good. It's a lot softer than a clementine. Smaller too. I mean, I don't think you'll find clementines this small, but they're really good. So if you see Kishu Mandarins, get them. They're not gonna be in the stores much longer. I'm going to probably go get 2 more bags tonight because my kids really like them and I just ate 3. So they are easy to eat. And they're so sweet. So I tried 3 and all 3 were amazing. Love them. I love citrus season and I just wish it was longer. Of course you can get clementines and oranges and grapefruits and some mandarins all throughout the year, but Kishu mandarins and sumo, which we did previously, are very short. They're so good. So get them when they have that short season. When they're in season, they are just absolutely delicious. So we hope you guys liked this taste test of the Kishu mandarin. We'll see you guys with another delicious tip or recipe soon. And if you want to read more about the Kishu mandarin, I will leave the link below all about them. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye.